Namaste. I hope you, your family, and your team members are safe and healthy. Beginning with obvious, a simple, heartfelt, and well-deserved thank you to our customers and business partners for trusting us and standing strong with us to fight against COVID-19. We as Idemitsu family completely support Government of India for encouraging vocal for their local, not only to buy local products, but also to promote them proudly. Idemitsu started manufacturing in 2013, and most of our products are manufactured in our Patalganga plant, Maharashtra, India, except few products which we still import. We also export some of products manufactured in India to several countries.
Namaste. Yes, we have also proudly adopted these beautiful ancient Indian greetings. I'm Nanesh Mehta, and today I'll take you through the fresh start of safe and hygienic factory operation at Idemitsu during this pandemic situation. After a long wait, finally we could get the permission from government authorities to start our factory with necessary precautions to combat spreading of COVID-19. For minimization of the risk, we decided to start our operation with only 30% employees. Our strategy of maintaining sufficient safety stock helped us to focus only on critical products in the beginning without disrupting our supply chain situation.
Come, I'll show you the type of precautions we have taken, both at plant and in offices. Each and every corner of the plant and offices are being sanitized at a regular interval. Vehicles are also being sanitized daily on arrival. Few more precautions include thermal scanning of employees, hand sanitization, usage of hand gloves and masks, contactless attendance system, easy availability of PPEs and hand sanitizers, minimum employees keeping the social distancing norms in offices as well as in cafeteria. Now let's go into the plant where I'll show you how our team is making the high performance lubricating oil using no human contact practice. Let's go in. In plant, you will be able to see our employees following high level of compliance to the safe distance norms and working with all required PPEs. Our fully automatic filling machines ensure that the product is filled into the bottles without any human intervention. Even the bottles are placed into the cartons automatically. Cartons are palletized using robotic palletizers. And these pallets are being moved to the storage racks by using reach trucks. While in storage, finished product is sanitized frequently to keep it free from any sort of infection. Material is loaded into the vehicle, again using contactless loading mechanism. Vehicles are sanitized before releasing to the customer. Hope you enjoyed the virtual tour of our plant. Thank you for your time and attention. Namaste.
We assure you with full confidence that the products we manufacture are virus-free, safe to handle, and packed with all safety measures, and with the help of our shipping partners, who are providing their continuous support, along with taking utmost safety measures for our customers to deliver virus-free products. Thank you once again for trusting Idemitsu's products. You are a great partner. We appreciate your hard work and dedication. Thank you once again for the pleasure and privilege of working with you. Thank you.